What's up, Kids Army, aka my naturalistess, and today I'm trying essentially like a band twist out, Bantu knocked out, twist out deal, what have you. So if you want to see how I achieve the end state, be sure to stay tuned. Probably not going to use that as an intro because I'm trash. So we are going to get right into it. I've used this combo before in my Bantu knot video, but we're going to start with the hydrating curling cream from the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Collection. And we're basically just going to douse our sections by sections with the curling cream. And then we're going to take some mousse, but also by Cream of Nature, and we're going to put that on our hair as well. This is going to provide an amazing hold to our stretch Bantu knot. So that's what I'm gonna call this, but I did get this inspiration from Bree Hall. I watched her video where she did a hairstyle that was kind of like a TikTok hack. And she did it and her hair turned out absolutely amazing. I can't remember the products she used, but I figured using the same products I used for my Bantu knot set that I did about a year ago would help me to achieve similar results. So as I go through, I continue to detangle and add product as necessary. What I'm adding is the curling cream, not the mousse. And then after that, I tighten the roots up a little bit. And then I take the middle of the twist and I place my index finger in the middle. And then I just kind of twist around the top portion of the twist. And this was my very first one, so this was really a trial test. But you'll see throughout the video, I'm going to do, I think, about 3 of these. And I'm just going to show you how I continuously improved and just some techniques that I've learned along the way. So once I get the twist all the way to the top, I take a bobby pin just to secure it. All right, here's the finished first one, and then I'm gonna show you guys, or you all, how I did the second one. I did the second one basically the same, used the same products from the first go round, but I continuously get better and faster. So you're gonna see me complete this one, and then I'm gonna go right into the slow-mo so you can get a better and up close and personal look at exactly how I did this stretch Bantu knot, and then y'all gonna see the results, honey. I'm excited. Completed the stretch Bantu set, and I'm actually super excited for the results. Don't be a menace to society while drinking orange juice in the motherfucking hood. Okay. Finally, the takedown process. Okay, grab your favorite oil and be sure to disperse that all over your fingertips. And be sure to go ahead and put that on your scalp. This helps especially with dry, more dry and thermal hairdos. And of course, it adds every bit of shine to the look. So just some things that I've noticed is obviously I'm going to have 2 separate curl patterns. mainly because I took the end portion of the twist and wrapped it around the top portion of the twist. So the top portion is a lot tighter while the ends are just a lot looser, but still really defined curls. What I would have wanted to do is I would possibly take some sort of jelly gel edge control or something maybe to my roots when I do these twists, just to flatten them down a little more. I tend to have a little bit of breakage at the roots, just slightly, especially around my crown. So I think that would have just made the hairdo a lot neater. But long story short, I absolutely love this hairdo. But what you need to make sure you're doing is being super gentle and super careful when you are separating your hair, because at the very top, I was being gentle and I was taking my time, but I did a little bit too much separating. So somewhere near the top, I got just a little bit of frizz from one of the curls. So I don't think you'll see it here, but it ended up happening later on because I just loved it so much that I just kept my hands in it. But after that, we get that picker popper pop all day, every day, and we're going for volume. All right, we're going for volume, but we still want to keep our curls. So what I'm doing is trying to pick at the roots, you know what I'm saying? And then separate a little bit more as we go. This process took me about 10 minutes, because I was trying to get that volume popping, but I'm sure you all will enjoy the results. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was super excited because I can never get my hair into this look. Like, I always have a part, but I've always wanted to just do like a full fro, So I was excited that I was absolutely able to achieve this particular look with this stretched Bantu hairstyle. And I think it came out awesome. So y'all comment below what you think about it. If you want to see more thermal looks from me, I've never really done them before. As you can see from my channel, I often do wet looks. So if you want to see more thermal looks from me, please comment below and I will be sure to make that happen. Probably this summer because I'm not doing a lot of outdoor activities. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up this video and show me some love in the comments. I love you, Naturalistas. I'm your girl, LATRICE, and remember to always protect your peace.